How to share Google Map location. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can share Google Maps location. For that, open your Google Map application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this page, here use the search bar at the top right to find the location you want to share. You can enter an address, business name or the landmark. Once you have found the location, tap or click on it to open more details. Once you reach to this page, here you'll find different options like directions, start, call, etc. Swipe to the left and there you will find share button. Here tap on the share button and now you can select your preferred sharing option from the list of applications. After selecting the sharing method and the receiver in the location, the receiver will receive a message or notification containing a link to the shared location in Google Maps. And that's it, you have successfully shared a location from Google Maps. The receiver can click on the link to view the location and get directions if needed. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next videos. Stay connected.